With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like captain's. You don't understand the thing. You don't ever wanna give me. You don't ever wanna sell me. You don't wanna dig it to me. And it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil for you. Got me coming back for more, even when I disagree. Dolls full of pleas, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in the bed, but you keep me on red. Everything is like a text. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of seeing the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think of something out of my night. Send it right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead,
So if I play dead, you regret everything that you did, that you said. I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that it's amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I the one? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silence of you like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't know I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats on the street. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me. You don't ever wanna set me free.
We live lives on a small screen nation. We
up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive.